Hey friends, in this video we are going to see how to set up your user profile and how to basically change your user profile. So all we are going to do is come here, go to my profile, and from here if I want to, let's say, change my photograph, let's say my photograph was not here and I want to change it, all I have to do is select the photograph, and this is how you change the user profile's photograph. After that, if let's say my email address is showing as unverified, I have to email verify, and this is going to send my verification code to the email. I'm going to go back to my email, and as you can see that this email verification code has come. I'm going to copy this, come here, paste this verification code and verify. Very similarly, it's going to show me that my mobile number is not verified. I can verify my mobile number. This is going to send a verification code to my mobile number if I'm in India specifically, and I can see that my verification code should arrive, and my verification code is 166347. I'm going to put the verification code and verify it, and as I can see that my mobile number as well as my email has been verified. If I want to change my email address using which I actually log into the system, I need to change the email out here and put in my new email and update the email. Mind you, if you do that, then your login ID or your username has changed. Also, once you've done that, you need to re-verify this email ID. That's about it. Thank you.